Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema Map's Alpha Mapping team, and in this video we're going to discuss the Hema Nav software developed by Hema Maps and used in numerous digital devices. The Hema Nav software is navigation software designed for in-vehicle use both on and off-road when travelling Australia. It'll show your position accurately whether you're on a road or a track, on a beach or amongst the sand dunes of the desert. It's been developed to be used offline. You can access the Hema Nav software by pressing on the Hema Nav icon on the home screen of your device. Hema Nav uses a vector style map. This style of map provides different features and detail at differing zoom levels. If you zoom in, you'll find greater detail, and if you zoom out, you'll have less detail but a greater overview of the map area. So let's take a look at how we use the screen. One simple touch on the screen will bring up a number of menus. After a while they'll disappear. We'll go into those menus in a moment. First of all, let's look at how we can move around the screen. If I choose King Lake as a destination, I use two fingers to zoom in on King Lake, and you'll notice more details start to appear as we zoom in. Now we have contours, we have road names or track names, we now have hydrology appearing in rivers and streams, and if we use two fingers moving upwards, we now get a 3D effect as well. So that's how you move around the screen with your fingers. To gain access to the various menus in Hema Nav, just tap the screen once. So if we start in the top left-hand corner with the first settings, we have route options. In my case, the only route options I want to avoid are ferries, motorways, toll roads and unpaved roads. I want to be able to route along those, and I've optimised mine for live traffic conditions and departure time. If we look at driver assists, in my case I always want to show speed limits and I want to say safety camera alerts, junction views, signposts and points of interest along the way. In map appearance, we have numerous options. Live traffic flow and live traffic incidents are only available if you have Wi-Fi enabled, and 3D terrain and landmarks are available all the time. You can turn these features on and off as required just by touching each icon. Distance and time is straightforward. You just press whether you want kilometres or miles, 24 hour or 12 hour. Language is English, Australian. The voice, you have a number of different types. The maps we're using are both Australia and New Zealand, and we don't want a factory reset. The second icon down will allow you to change your map appearance depending on conditions. For example, we're in the light mode now. If I change it to dark mode, it's much more usable at night. If I change it to the automatic mode, it will change according to sunset and sunrise without you having to modify it at all. So the last icon on the left is sounds. I want to hear all sounds, but there are times when you can turn it off. For example, when you have a phone call coming in, you don't want the sounds going on in the background, you just hit no sound. Very quick to do, and back to all sounds if you need to. You may want guidance only, or you may want alerts only. You choose what's suitable for your usage. So let's look at the other icons on the screen. In the top right hand corner, we have the gazetted road speed. So the next icon on the screen is the compass pointer, and we use that for our viewing orientation, either north up or track up. If you want to maintain your current view on the map, you use your zoom buttons to achieve this. And if you want to zoom into your current location, which may be different from where you're viewing on the map, you press the next button down, the target, which will bring you directly into your current location. In our current location, you'll notice our compass pointer is pointing south. If we tap that once, the map will be oriented to point north. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned some valuable insight into Hema Nav. For more information, please check out hemamaps.com.